Order 10. Examination of parties by the court. Rule 1 to 4. Court can direct the party to opt for any mode of alternate dispute resolution of CPC 1908 under Order 10, Rule 1A. Civil Procedure Court. At the first hearing of suit, court must ascertain whether the allegations in the pleading are admitted or denied, which of the propositions is incorrect with regard to oral examination of party of the court under Order 10, Rule 2. The court can cross-examine any of the party with reference to a document. The object of the oral examination under Order 10, Rule 2 of CPC is to elucidate the matter in the controversy in the suit. Order 11. Discovery and inspection. Rule 1 to 23. A party under CPC may object to answer any interrogatories if it is scandalous and irrelevant, malafide and immaterial, privileged. Objection to the interrogatories under Order 11, Rule 6 of CPC made if it is scandalous, irrelevant, not a bona fide. Any objection of the interrogatories may be taken on the ground that it is irrelevant, scandalous, not exhibit bona fide. Interrogatories shall be answered as provided under Order 11, Rule 8 of CPC on the affidavit. Discovery and inspection and administering the interrogatories is a procedure under Code of Civil Procedure while trying a suit, a civil proceeding. The consequences of non-compliances with the order to the answer and interrogatories for the discovery and inspection of the document have been dealt under with Order 11, Rule 21 of Civil Procedure. Interrogatories shall be answered under Code of Civil Procedure by way on the affidavit filed within -day within such time as the court may allow. 10. The leave may be granted by civil court for the delivery of interrogatories if it consider the same necessary disposing of the case fairly. Mark the correct state. The questions which are put only test of credibility of the person will not be allowed as interrogative, although they may be asked in cross-examination. Interrogatories can be administered only to the party to the suit and not to the witness, whereas cross-examination can be of any person, party, witness alike. A party filing affidavit in reply to the interrogatories can neither cross-examination nor adduce evidence to contradict it as it conclusive proof. Admission. Order 12. Admission. Rule 1 to 9. Under Order 12, Rule 2 of Code of Civil Procedure, the time to be given a party to admit any document when it called upon to the notice 7 days from the date of service of notice. The court has power to record admission for the party at any stage of the proceeding. Where the party is called upon the notice of the fact by other party under Order 12, Rule 4, CPC, the party on whom the notice had been served had been admitted within 9 days from the service of notice. Judgment on admission can be given under Order 12, Rule 6. Rule 6 of Order 12 of CPC provides judgment on admission. Order 8, Rule 8. Order 7, Rule 8 of CPC pretend notice to be produced document. Order 8. Production and impounding and return of document. Rule 1 to 11. Where the plaintiff sue upon the document in his power and possession, he must produce a copy thereof along with plaint. When the provision order of civil procedure deal with the production, impounding and return of document. Order 13. Order 14. Settlement of issue and determination of suit on issue of law or issue agreed upon. Rule 1 to 7. Framing of issue is provided by which rule of CPC? Order 14, Rule 1. Under CPC, the code issue the suit are framed in respect of question of law, question of fact, mixed question of fact and law. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Which one is correct? Where issue both of law and fact arises, and if the court has the opinion that the case may be disposed of on the issue relating to the jurisdiction, it may postpone the settlement of the issue until after the issue of the jurisdiction has been determined. Where the suit may be disposed on the preliminary issue, the court need not to pronounce a judgment on other issues settled in the case. The preliminary issue may relate it to a bar to create a suit and law for timing force. The court may not frame a issue basis on the allegation content made to the party on in applications. Which of the following order and rule of CPC provide framing of issue? Order 14, Rule 1. Order 15. Disposal of suit at the first hearing. Rule 1 to 4. Order 15 of the CPC talk about disposal of the suit at the first hearing. Order 16. Summon and attendance of witness. Rule 1 to 21. List of witness after settlement of issue must be filed within 15 days. In a suit, the list of witness has been filed by the party by after the settlement of issue. The party to the suit must submit the list of their witness within the same prescribed by the court, but not later than 15 days after the issue are settled. List of witness after the settlement issue must be filed within 15 days. Date appointed by the court for presenting list of witness by the party to obtain summon to them for the attendance in the court shall not later than 15 days. The court has power to summon a person who is not called by any party as a witness under Order 7, Rule 14 of the CPC. Which provision order of civil procedure deal with the summon and the attendance of witness? Order 16. The provision relating to the summon and the attendance of witness are under Order 16 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Order 16A. Attendance of witness and witness confined and detained in prison. Rule 1 to 7. In which condition the officer in charge of a prison may refuse to produce the prisoner for the evidence despite of the order where medical officer has certified person it unfit to be removed. prison as defined in Order 16A of CPC include any place where it has been declared by the government by general or special order to be subsidiary jail, any reformatory, bostel, institution of order, and another institution of like nature. Order 17. Adjournment. Rule 1 to 3. Under provision of Subrule 1 of Order 17 of CPC, maximum adjournment can be granted are 3. Which one of the following is not sufficient cause for granting the adjournment? Non-service of summon. If sufficient cause is shown by the parties for adjournment of the hearing for the case, the court shall not adjourn by the case for more than thrice. Order 8. Hearing of the suit and examination of witness. Order 1 to 19. Order 18. Rule 4 1 of CPC. The examination in chief and the witness of the record on affidavit. In every case, the examination in chief shall be on affidavit. Which one of the following order? The rule under CPC provide that every case of the examination in chief and witness shall be on Order 1, Rule 4 1. What is not correct about recording the evidence under Order 18, Rule 4 of CPC? D. What is correct? Examination in chief and witness shall be on affidavit. The cross-examination of the commissioner shall be appointed. The district judge shall prepare a panel of the commission recorded for evidence. When English is not the language of the court, evidence may be taken in if all the parties do not object. Examination D bench is under Order 18, Rule 16 of CPC means examination of witness before hearing. A witness who is already been examined recall under Order 8, Rule 17 of CPC by the court. The commissioner as appointed under the provision of Order 18 of CPC for the purpose of recording the evidence cannot decide objection raised during the recording of evidence. Hearing of the suit and examination of witness is covered under dash of the CPC 1908. Order 18. Order 19. Affidavit. Rule 1 to 3. Which one of the following is true? Affidavit can be confined only statement of knowledge. Which one of the following provision of CPC is related on the affidavit? Order 19. Order 20. Judgment and decree. Rule 1 to 20. A copy of judgment shall be made available to the party under Order 20, Rule 1-2 of the CPC immediately after the pronouncement of the judgment. The date of decree is on the date on which the date of decree is pronounced. According to Order 20, Rule 7 of CPC, the court of decree shall bear a date of the day on which judgment was pronounced. After completion of the trial, the judge pronounced the judgment but did not sign the decree and transferred. Then The decree prepared can be signed by the newly posted judge. Order 20, Rule 12 of CPC provide the passing of preliminary decree in the suit for possession of means profit. Judgment and decree has been dealt in the which of the following of the CPC? Order 20. What is the minimum time granted by the court of CPC to draw up the decree after pronouncement of the judgment? 15 days. The judgment and decree has been dealt in CPC under Order 20. Preliminary decree can be passed in the suit for pre-injunction, sale of mortgage, redemption of mortgage. After the passing of decree for the payment of money on application of the judgment debtor, the court shall not order the payment of the amount of decree shall be made in the installment without the consent of decree holder. Which one of the following CPC provide rule detailing rule regarding judgment and decree? Order 20. Preliminary decree can be passed in the suit for partition, for partnership, for the possession of means profit. In which one of the following suit CPC provide the passing of preliminary decree? Suit for pre-injunction, suit for the possession of means profit, administration suit. Detailed rule regarding the decree in detail is Order 20, Rule 1 to 5 and Rule 6 to 19.